Here we have a 1972 Citroen DS23, just completed full rebuild, painted in a Citroen colour from 1972, grease nacre, Palace interior, good black leather, white roof, aluminium as it's a South African car, interior new carpets, front armrest, new seat belts, door cards, excellent condition in the rear, new door handles, interior door handles and chromed, new roof lining, all done, no sagging at all, good parcel shelf renewed, front door cards are newly done, rear seats all good condition, armrests good condition, surround of the roof all renewed, carpets brighten up the interior, passenger door front door card new as well, rear left all good, carpets in the rear excellent, also good dashboard, interior lights working, Palace headrests, dashboard perfect, everything works, sun visors good condition, no rips, tears or stains. Externally, tinted glass from the factory, kind of green tint, all Palace strips present. Boot is fiberglass, so it's never going to rust. That was a factory option from South Africa. A GH bonnet ornament. Some people love it, some people hate it. I think it looks very good on it. All lights working, bumpers in very good condition, no scratches, deep scratches or dents. All electrics are done. In the engine bay, we have renewed all the clutches all new, the water pump is new, hydraulic pump is new spheres all round, radiator's been cleaned and recored, carburetor's been checked and adjusted. Just too many new parts to mention. Very good steering. All was kept in a garage in my ownership. Very good paintwork. A few tiny little nicks and scratches from storage. Always insured and taxed for the last 7 or 8 years, I'd say. No rust anywhere on the body or underneath. All good chrome strips, door handles all work, locks all work, 2 sets of keys, panel gaps are good, all electrics are good, new exhaust, a very good usable car, right hand drive, top spec for the time, never let me down, and quite rare in this condition, very usable and right hand drive 5-speed.